I am giving demo with STM32 Nucleo board about how to use I2C to read temperature sensor. I am using STM32 Cube IDE. In this IDE, to start with any project, need to go to File, New, and need to select STM32 project. So here I have already created this project, and also I have selected target device. The ID of this device is STM32F446RE, which is a STM32 Nucleo board. Now to use I2C, first we need to enable I2C in device configuration. So here you can see on PB8 I have connected I2C SCL, and on PB9 I have connected I2C SDA. Similarly on PA5 I have connected LED, and on PA2 and PA3 I have enabled URTX and RX. So this is further connected to ST-Link RX and ST-Link TX. So this can be used as virtual COM port to send and receive data from the connected computer. So now let's move to the program. So this is the main program. So I am using HTU21D I2C temperature sensor. So address for this temperature sensor is 80, but we write this as 40 left shifted by 1. Similarly, we have measurement command E3 that we have defined here. So we have this function system clock config, and we have GPIO initialization for the LED. We have I2C initialization for our I2C, and UART is for loading the program and see the output on the terminal. I'm writing to the LED, which I have enabled in device configuration to see the blinking. Then we have this code for I2C. So I am so in this I2C we have only two functions. One is I2C master transmit and other one is I2C master receive. So in I2C write issue, I'm issuing only one byte on the address of our I2C temperature sensor. And similarly, I have this master receive function to read the 2 bytes from the temperature register. So we have a measurement command which is equal to 1 byte, which is E3. This is issued to write I2C command. And for I2C read issue, we have temperature value of 2 bytes. So the received 2 bytes data put in the formula here, and as per the data sheet, and the temperature is printed. If in case transmission doesn't happen, then RX or TX error will be printed on the out on the terminal, error RX and error TX. Because this is necessary, as it won't print this HL OK until and unless this transmission is success. Now we have this function mxi2c1 init. So here we are initializing the I2C. We are assigning all these constant values to this hi2c1, which is nothing but a handler, and this is a structure. So here is where our frequency and timing and addressing mode can be manually set. And here the address of structure is passed to the function mxi2c1 init. Similarly, we have system clock config. Here we have assigned the constant values as per the datasheet of STM32 Nucleo board. Now this needs to be updated by understanding the specification of Thales custom board. Now I have connected the target board using USB cable. I'll try to build the project. Now I'm building the project. A project is built now. Now I need to flash this program to the target board. So here you can see download verified successfully. So the program is loaded through ST-Link. Now I will open the putty. This is to see the output of the temperature sensor. So here you can see this is I2C TX read temperature command is sent. I2C RX temperature value read is done, and this is the temperature value 25.20. Similarly, we are getting the values. Now I will try to touch the temperature sensor. So I have touched it and you can see the temperature is rising. 28.0, 28.48, 28.78. Now I removed my hand from the temperature sensor and now the temperature is decreasing. 27.77, 27.58, 27.27. So that's all I have for the demo. Thank you.